What's up guys, it's C. I'm wearing pink today, so let's open this Twinkle Twinkle Create Your Taste. I don't know about you, but I adore this packaging. It looks just like a little strawberry milk container. So here are our options. And from these, I would really love to see blueberry jam, black pepper sauce, blueberry bread, squid ink sausage, and a strawberry milk cookie. So let's open our little milk carton and see which Twinkle Twinkle we pull today. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got black pepper sauce. So here is the card for Twinkle Twinkle Black Pepper Sauce. And let's take a closer look at our little Twinkle Twinkle. I love the stars in his eyes and his little fangs sticking out. I love how glossy the sauce bottles in this series are. Looks so adorable. Got a sort of sriracha-like lid with a little star on it and little teddy bear ears. Cute. Have to let me know if you picked up any from this series and what you pulled. Alright, thanks guys. See you in another one.